Want to create a stunning book cover that grabs attention? Today, I'm going to show you how to design a professional book cover in Canva in just a few simple steps. Whether you're self-publishing or just experimenting, this guide will make the process effortless. First, log into Canva and search for book covers or create a custom size design based on your book's dimensions. Choosing the right size is key because it ensures your cover looks perfect both digitally and in print. Next, you have two options. Pick a pre-made template or start from scratch. Templates are great if you want something quick, but creating your own design gives you full creative control. Start by adding a background. This could be a solid color, gradient, or even an image. Make sure it matches the tone of your book. Now, add your graphics and text. Canva offers tons of icons, illustrations, and fonts, so pick elements that complement your theme. One important tip: keep all critical content, like the title and author name, inside the green safe area. This ensures nothing gets cut off when your book is printed. Finally, always use high resolution images, especially if your book will be printed. Low-res images can look pixelated and unprofessional. Once everything looks perfect, download your cover in the appropriate format and you're ready to publish. Designing a book cover doesn't have to be complicated. With Canva, a little creativity, and these tips, you can make something that not only looks professional but also captivates your audience. Give it a try and watch your book stand out from the rest.